How to recover the My Eyes Only photos and videos in your Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can recover your My Eyes Only photos and your videos. So these steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Snapchat, and from here you just have to go in your camera roll. So now once you are in, you have to select the My Eyes Only, and once you are in, as you can see that it is the option that is showing that your snaps you move here can only be seen after you enter a My Eyes Only passcode. And if you forget your password and you are not able to recover your photos and your videos by adding the passcode, what you have to do is simply go in your learn more. So now once you are in the learn more, as you can see that here is the important note that is saying that you can only access your snaps and your stories in My Eyes Only by entering your password. And if you forget your passcode, Team Snapchat cannot help you access or recover your snaps in My Eyes Only. So you just have to click on the was this article helpful and click on this cross icon, and you have to simply select this article didn't answer my question, and you have to simply select the related articles, and after that you just have to go back and you have to go on the contact us. So now once you are in here, what you have to do is simply add your Snapchat username and email address, and also add your mobile number, and here you have to add the description, and after that you just have to fill up this captcha and submit a report. And in the description you have to write that you want to recover your My Eyes Only photos and your videos, and you just have to submit your report, and you have to wait for the Snapchat to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can recover your My Eyes Only photos videos in your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.